Not long ago, we evaluated a home in Edmond that was showing early signs of foundation movement. The homeowner, referred to us by one of our previous customers, was worried that these signs could mean something serious. After walking the property with her, answering her questions, and performing a thorough evaluation, our inspector explained that, in his opinion, foundation repair was not needed at that time. Instead, he showed her what to watch for and how to know when it would be time to act if conditions changed. Afterwards, she told us, he was very knowledgeable and explained in detail the need for concern or not. He educated me on what to look for in the future, recommended some minor repairs, and answered all my questions. I would highly recommend him. That's what the preventative stage is all about. It's not about selling unnecessary repairs, it's about giving homeowners education, clarity, and confidence. When the time ever comes that repairs are truly needed, they already know exactly who they can trust.